What's going on, Trade Gang? Good morning. Happy Monday. It's September 15th. We're going to be trading live this morning. This is day one of our 50K account. So we're starting with $50 on a live account. So market is about to open here in a minute. So let me go ahead and share my screen. And we're going to see what we see this morning. So we're going to mark up really quick our London low and high, just so we can see where market was during London session. So let me just get a quick sound check. All right, sound good. All right, so this is the 30-minute. So we'll go down to the 2-minute. There's the 3-minute, actually. All right, so we got London high right here. So we'll see if we get a rejection off of that. So London high. Mark at our London low here. London low. So we could mark up Asia low too. So this is Asia high. Then we got Asia low all the way down here. So I'll change this to like an orange. This is a little bit easier to see. There we go. Asia low. Move this more to the center. So we'll see what we see. So it looks like we pushed above London high. So I had said here on the 30-minute that we were going to look for buys above 36.56. So because we could target right up here. So 36.68. So because on the 1 hour and the daily, we're pretty bullish. So we're making some nice moves there. So I think I'm going to look for longs. So we have a support area or demand area right here. So if we did take a position, we could put our stops right below here, and then we can target. I mean, I'd like to target all the way up here to 36.68. So which price could definitely go there. That'd be a nice 1 to 6. Excuse me. So we're definitely gonna look for buys here. All right, I'm in a buy position, guys. All right, we got a nice push up. So we got in at 36.56, 36.56, 92. We're targeting 36.68, 376. All right, guys. So I'm putting my stop loss at break even. All right, guys, we're looking good. We're almost halfway there. Yeah, we got a nice bullish run here. We're almost close to TP. So I'm gonna trail a little bit more. I think we're gonna close right here. All right, we just closed. So that's it. We got a nice 1-to-1. So we closed right here. Ours a 1-to-2. And that's it. That's all we need. So that's my one trade for the day. So you guys can see here on my trade locker the trade that we took. So price is starting to reverse. So we took this nice little buy position right here. See price is starting to reverse. So nice little 1-to-4 right here. We took a profit of 557. So the account's at 58.88 right now. So we'll take that as a profit for the day, and that's pretty much it. One and done. But we'll stay on here and kind of see what price does. It may end up hitting my TP, but when you're a scalper, you just kind of want to get in, get out. That looks really clean. The price is wanting to push higher. So that was just a little pullback. So remember, this is is my original TP. Original TP was right here, but I'm okay with $5 in profit on a $50 account. You know, that's up 5%. So I'll take that win any day. So, but we pretty much followed what we said we were going to do, right? Look for buys above 36.56. Price pushed above that. We ended up taking a position right below it, and that was it. Couldn't be more perfect. That's a nice 1 to 2 right there. So, because we can look on the 30-minute, look how bullish this candle is right here. So that gave us full confirmation, and we broke London highs as well. So that gave us another confirmation. So we could even try to target the previous weekly high right here at 36.75. So that may very well happen as well. So, but 646, excuse me, 646 right now. So, I mean, who knows? You know, price could have made its move already this morning and then literally start consolidating. But we'll see. Or we might even have a pullback back to 36.56 right here. So we'll see. This is a one on the 1 minute, mind you. So let me get rid of this 2 minute, bring my 5 minute back. So even on the 5 minute here, so we do have 2 rejections. So that may cause price to push down. So because if you look here on the 5 minute, like we got in like right at that candle, right before it pushed up. So that was a good entry in my opinion. So see price is starting to consolidate. So it's starting to make a double top right here. So that's going to cause price to push down. Especially prices breaking this low right here. So if price breaks below this, so I could have even taken a sell right here too. So price broke, put your stops above here, and literally target, you know, just a 1 to 2. So right here. So because a lot of times I see this same thing happen, price will push up, and then because remember, look on the 15 minute. So we have London low right here. We have Asia high. So we have London high right here. So I've seen it where price is going above London high before, and then literally reversed, took out Asia high, and literally took out London low as well. So I have seen that before, but you know this might just be a minor pullback because we are bullish. So just have to watch and see. But we got our dub for the day. I'm happy there. So we got in at where 6:35. So we got in 5 minutes after market open. Well, typically I like to wait a little bit, but we got in, so and then we got out 6:43. So look at that, guys. We weren't even in the market for 10 minutes. We we made our profit, and that was it. And we only risked 0.01 on that account. Yeah, there you go. So price is pushing up. So we could see here price created another demand. So we can mark that up. So I have to respect this area right here. So I'm just putting this in for my journal. All right. 36, 60. All right. So we can see here, price is starting to kind of make lower lows and lower highs. So we may start to trend down now because we tapped into this area of support, this demand zone right here. So we could push even lower. Sorry, guys. So yeah, it looks like this might have been the move for the morning. So I wish I would have gotten in down here, but that was like right at market open. So, or even like pre-market right here, we pushed up at 620. We had a nice push up, a little bit of a pullback, and then a nice push back up. So 10 minutes before market open would have been a nice one. Let's see if we got in like, see if I got in right here, waited for a pullback, got in right here. I probably would have put my stops like right below here. And look at even just right here, it would have been a 1 to 2. So where we got out, it would have been a nice 1 to 5. And I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. I would have gotten close to stopped out, but we would have been good because price respected. So, but we're definitely pushing down now. So that's how it is. We got in, got out. So that's pretty much it for the morning, guys. We took our trade. We're up on the week. We're up on the day. So we're up $5. That's okay on a $50 account. That's 5%. So I'll close out the live there. We got a dub already for the week. So appreciate you guys popping on. Hope you guys have a great trading week. If you guys, trading day. If you guys are continuing to trade for the rest of the day. But stay tuned tomorrow. We will go live again, and we'll continue to see if we get these profits. So appreciate you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my journey on my IG as well, Nikki_Pips. I'll put that in the description as well. That's where I place all my trades, so you can see all the trades that I took for the day, all my losses, and just my overall journey over my 3 years of trading. So appreciate you guys. God bless, and we'll see you tomorrow.